Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest product on my right hand, the Floral coolers. As you can see, we're having the glass display on the side, and this unit comes with a 1, 2, 3 door of the units. Inner side, you can see we're having total 2 layers, include the bottom and 3 shelves. And let's take a look at the overall cell size first. For the unit's overall length, they are about like 78.5 inches long. And the overall depth will be 31.5 inches deep. And the overall height, they are almost 79 inches tall for the units. For this unit, we can see the inside. We can open for you. They come in with light strips on the side. They have 1, 2, 3, the big lights. And at the bottom, you can see we have a controller over there. They come in with system switchers and a light switcher to control the units. Let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. The inner side of the units will be 75 inches long, and the shelving almost the same length. And the depth of the units, they are about like 24 inches deep, and the shelvings will be 16 inches deep for the shelving. And for the units, the overall height, inner side will be 56.5 inches tall. And the units, they come in with the compressor mount at the bottom, and they having front covers of the units, and they come in with the standard 110 US plugs, and that's what will be the all information about the units. If you have more questions about the products, please contact with us. Thank you.